In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Nothing Phone 2a. The box of Nothing Phone 2a looks like this. On the back side of the box, you can see the price 25,999, but you can get it under 20k if there is any sale. So without wasting any time, let's open the phone. Inside you will find this white box. On opening, you can see that there is a message, welcome to Nothing, and here is the phone. Let's keep the phone aside, and you will get a Type-C cable with Nothing branding. Here you can see the Nothing, and also you will get a booklet, safety or warranty information, and also you receive a SIM ejector tool. It's transparent. Here is the phone. Here is a Nothing Phone 2a. The back side of the phone looks like this. Let's try to turn on the phone first. Now it is asking to enter a valid Indian SIM card. So open the SIM tray and insert the SIM card. Here is a SIM ejector tool which you get inside the box. Open the SIM tray. Here you can see that you can insert two SIM cards, SIM 2, SIM 1. I am going to insert only one card. Here you can see that I have inserted only one SIM card. On the other side also you can insert another SIM card. After placing the SIM card, insert the SIM tray inside the phone. It is checking whether the SIM card you have inserted is a valid SIM card or not. If you have inserted Indian SIM card, it will show you SIM card authenticated successfully. Now it is asking to connect to a Wi-Fi network. It is asking you whether you want to transfer apps, photos from other Google account. I want to make a fresh copy of the phone, so I am going to click on don't copy. If you want, you can simply sign into your Google account, otherwise click on skip. After signing in, it will ask you who will be using this phone. Select appropriate and click on next and accept the terms and conditions. It will ask you to select the search engine. I am going with Google. Click on next. If you want, you can set the pin, otherwise you can set a pattern also. I am going with the pattern. If you want, you can set the fingerprint, otherwise click on skip. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on next. Here is anything OS 2.6. Click on next, click on next, select the visual type. I am going with Nothing. Click on finish setup. Now let's check the version of Android. Go to settings and click on about phone, and here is the Android version. It is 14. Now let's open the camera and let's take a sample shot. And coming to the video, you can record 4K footage with this Nothing phone. Now let's look at the physical overview of the phone. This phone has a big display, 6.7-inch flexible AMOLED display, and it has got 32 megapixel front facing camera. The top looks like this, and on the right side you have the power button. At the bottom you have the speaker grill, Type-C port for charging, and SIM tray. It's a dual SIM tray. Here is the volume rockers up and down. And coming to the back, at the back you can see the dual camera setup. Both are 50 megapixel, and you can see the transparent back. You have the Nothing branding over here. Nothing Phone 2a has inbuilt fingerprint scanner under the display. To unlock, you can simply place your thumb like this. It will unlock. Here you can see that. Let's lock, unlock. If you are looking for a good phone under 20k, you can definitely look at this Nothing Phone 2a. So that's it guys. Here is a short unboxing video of Nothing Phone 2a. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.